Okay, the cat I'm going to sketch for you today is the Sphynx cat. Quite a strange looking cat, but quite an elegant cat too. Okay, now there's lots more coming up in my illustration series, so if you want to know what's going to happen, subscribe! Okay, hit that button. Okay, let's draw our Sphynx cat. Now, you're drawing a cat's eye, remember, you start off, little point there, then a nice big curve coming up. And get that angle, you don't bring it right down there, get that angle, and then the bottom part of the eye, again a curve like that, and put the pupil in there, okay? I'm going to draw this at a slight angle, so the other eye is coming in a bit there, almost like a 3/4 view, right? And the bottom of the eye coming in there, and the other pupil coming in there, like that, leave that wee bit, that wee dark point there, okay? Right, excellent. Now, the cat's nose comes in about here. Right. The thing about the Sphynx is it's got the shapes are quite obvious, but not hidden by lots of hair, you know. And another odd thing about it is that the skin looks very wrinkled because, as I said, there's hardly any hair on the cat at all. So we start off with the top of the head quite high, and as it comes down, you get these almost like folds of skin. See that coming down over the forehead of the cat, coming in a bit there, past its eye, right, and round front of its face, and then that line down there, okay, as most cats have, and a little line here. There's a little chin coming in underneath, right, and a really strong characteristic of the Sphynx cat, really large ears, really quite high and pointed as they come up, like that. Okay, and I'm using quite heavy lines here, just to accentuate these flowing lines of the cat's ears, right, and then inside comes up like that. And then I take a bit of pressure off to come back down like that. You can see the inside of the ear there. Okay? It's the whole thing about sketching, you know. You have to know when to, you know, put pressure on the pencil and then when to take it off. Take the pressure off there, you want to shade in the inside of the ear a bit more gentle. Okay? Like that, you get these wrinkles. The back of the head is quite a narrow back, and it comes in like that, and the wrinkles, instead of going across the way, kind of fold down the way. You get these kind of wrinkles almost going following the line of the back of its head there. Okay, and again, its neck, as its neck juts out, you'll see the wrinkles of its skin. You know, it's got a kind of neck that does that. Okay, and again, as the back comes up toward the tail, you get these wrinkles showing along the back, like that, okay? Now, the front of the chest comes out from about here, okay? And it's quite bony looking, you know, like that. But the legs are actually quite graceful, a bit like Siamese. They start fairly broad at the top and then narrow quite quickly down towards the little paws there, you know. You delineate these paw shapes like that, okay? And the other leg will come behind it there, like that, okay? And the body itself, again, a bit like the Siamese, you know, coming up towards the back leg there. But again, you'll see the wrinkles of the skin in the Egyptian cat, almost hairless. Then coming back down here towards the little paw shapes, slightly pointed like that, and the other leg coming in like that, quite narrow down to the wee paws there. And the tail, again, quite narrow, coming up to a point like that. And you see, you don't normally see that in a cat's tail because they're usually covered by fur, but not in this case. And again, you'll see the wrinkles on the tail as they go up. Okay, so there is the Sphynx shape. Right, strange looking cat, but I rather like it. Now you can put a bit of shading in if you like, because the legs are in the shadow here. Let's say that one there, and that one there coming down there like that. And maybe take a bit of that shading off here. Let's see, take it a bit there. You can do that. You can just rub a wee bit out if you're not too happy with it. I think there's too much shading there, just a wee bit, accentuate that line here, okay? A bit more lines here. And accentuate a bit more of the wrinkles, and sometimes you know that you get the wrinkles following the shape as well of the cat, you know, as well as coming across the join. So you get that kind of look to the Sphynx cat, the enigmatic Sphynx. Okay, right, well, I hope you enjoyed that. And check out all the other stuff I've got on my illustration series, because there's lots there. And if you want to know what's coming next, well, hit that subscribe button. Okay, but in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing.